Hey guys, so yeah, I haven't been around much this week, just been doing bits and pieces off the computer and other things, but I'm having a look at Icon here, ICX, and I took a long, I'm probably just a tiny bit up, maybe break even at the moment, something like that. The blue line or blue sort of zigzag line is the VWAP, so I'm experimenting with using that with that crossing over on the EMAs, and I've got the 21, 55, 99. So when the VWAP caught price sort of over here, it managed to chop up and at least take it towards the 99. So I'm hoping over the next 5 or 6 hours we might get a push on Icon up towards $2. Might not make it that far, it's just going to be a scalp. At the moment it's getting rejected, so I'm not like overly confident, but I'm just in it just to see if the stochastics can push up a bit. Press the wrong button. If the stochastics can go for one more push up. If they start to fold over, this might need one more push before we go. But I'm just looking for 3 or 4%. If I get a bit more than that, great. I'm just going to play it with almost the VWAP as my stop, to be honest. And if it dives underneath that, I may get out if it closes under it. If not, I'll hold tight for a while. It's the same with Doge. Again, I'm a little bit more concerned with Doge because of the volatility of it. It's got a trend line kind of resistance here at the moment. But again, even the smallest move on this could be 5, 6, 7, 8%. So I'm going to sit tight in both of them for a while, see how they go. Just lastly, if the VWAP can get above the 21, it's just an example of it. Here you can see it can continue.